Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 15 July 2021. As I had mentioned in my yesterday's report, Nifty opened flat, made a low of 15,760-65 levels. Thereafter, it made a spectacular recovery and made a high of 15,880 before closing at 15,850 levels. We can see here that Nifty has formed a good solid body candle with a lower tail and also a tail on the upside. That was because of the fear of the expiry tomorrow. Some profit booking was seen towards the end of the day. All said and done, it appears like Nifty for the fifth time again is knocking at 15,900, 920 on the upside. This time it looks that it may cross 15,900. Till such time it closes above 15,920 levels, there is no long trades which can be carried over. Moving on to short-term charts, tomorrow being weekly expiry, there will be lot of volatility and choppiness is expected in the market. On the lower side, 15,780 may offer good support going forward. On the way up, 15,900, 920 is somewhat difficult to cross given that tomorrow is the expiry day. If at any point of time in the morning, if Nifty closes in the sense for a considerable period of time, if Nifty trades above 15,920, then one can expect some covering of calls. Risky people can buy 15,900 calls tomorrow. On to Bank Nifty. Here again, Bank Nifty, like I had mentioned yesterday, made a low at about 35,450 levels and touched the higher band at 35,800. If 35,800 is taken out on the upside on a closing basis, then one can go long in Bank Nifty for an initial target of 36,500 on the upside. Till such time it closes above 35,800, there is no long trade in. Moving on to short time frame chart in Bank Nifty, I could observe some divergence in Bank Nifty, though it is needed to be confirmed with price action. It is wise to avoid Bank Nifty tomorrow unless it takes out any one of the direction, that is upside above 35,800 or below 35,400 levels. Bank Nifty. Stocks that are in my buy list for tomorrow are Bajaj Finserv, which is moving sideways after a big rally. Hence, it may resolve itself on the upside. You can buy it for a target of 13,300 with a stop loss below 12,700. The second stock is LIC Housing Finance, which has finally, I believe, has finished its downward leg and is on the verge of moving up. The third stock is L&T, which moved up with good volumes today, hence it's a buy. Moving on to derivative data, Nifty ended the day higher by 42 points to close at 15,854. Minor long positions were added as Nifty ended the day higher by 0.26% and open interest also moving up by 3%. PCR for Nifty is at 1.2, Put buildup is seen at 15,800 and call buildup at 16,000 and 15,900 levels. Bank Nifty closed by only 5 points down at 35,668. Minor profit booking was seen as Bank Nifty ended at almost the same point as yesterday and open interest going down by 3%. PCR for Bank Nifty is at 1.1. Fresh longs were initiated by FIIs in today's trade. They net bought contracts worth 278 crores with their open interest going up by 3,963 contracts. Market breadth was mildly negative. VIX was at 12.59. FII activity for 14 July 2021. We can see that their open interest at the end of the day is 1,38,589. Nifty open interest chart for tomorrow's expiry. We can see that 15,800 put has more open interest and 15,900 and 16,000 calls have good amount of open interest. If Nifty breaches any one of the sides and trades there for some time, it will lead to short covering. Securities in pan for trade tomorrow are Granules, India Bulls Housing Finance, Idea, National Aluminium, NMDC, PNB, SAIL, Sun TV. Quite a big list there. Thanks for watching. Good night.